coming to you from Schnupperlong Trail. Schnupper? How do you say it?
Snapperlong, I think.
Snapperhead? Anyways, checking out an abandoned factory of some sort. Stay tuned. What's that I see over there?
I don't know.
It's interesting because this water's so damn clear.
It's freaking cold too.
Yep. Real cold. Now I got a wet hand. I can't hit stop on the record button.
Smart.
Not really. Apparently. We bring drones here.
Okay, enter device. Nope. Okay, go fly.
Can you see more factory? Or any factory?
I'm working on it. I'm gonna do this slow so I don't make my audience sick like you.
So, normally I would put the... Where the hell's my bag? Oh, okay. Normally I'd put the drone up, but I don't know. If it goes down here, for me, it could be bad. It's very marshy. So you don't gotta worry, that thing will stay flying like no matter what. Yep. Me, I gotta worry. Fail-safes are real. Well, not really, but... If yours fail-safe, it just goes back over there somewhere. This shows you how behind the state of Wisconsin is here. Look at the phone that they're... That's like 2008. Really? Like, you seriously didn't use return to home?
No.
You just... Well, what the hell are you waiting for?
These are easier. You can actually hover it and it won't piss you off. Oh.
She does have a point. Take the stairs. Oh my goodness. It's vlog inception. Okay. I think Indian Springs dried up.
You think Indian Springs?
Nothing to see here, folks.
Nothing to see. Let's see. What does that look like? Oh yeah, we're pretty dried up. That's not good, John. What do you think about that?
We're on this platform here. I think it was more than I anticipated. I've never seen it like that in my entire existence. Very strange.
That's neat.
It's like Texas tea, bubbling oil.
Yeah.
But not tea and not oil and not Texas.
Huh.
So nothing. Okay.
It's very cool. Put your microphone in the water.
I did not. Oh, son of a bitch.
Damn it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you killed my subject, you dickhead. Too close.
Sorry, Kim. I'm out of here. You're gonna kill me. I saved it. I saved it though.
I knew you were gonna.
Oh man.
I knew you were gonna fall, dude.
Fuck me. That's why I keep clowning around.
Are you okay?
This came off. Oy.
I knew you were gonna fall. I wasn't even gonna chase you.
All right. What a jerk. Whoops. Did you just...
I pissed myself. I gotta go.
Okay. Well, if I can get up...
It's really like this.
Stand under that, see what happens.
Oh, thanks.
Okay.
Not after your luck today. I'm good.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a star on that one. Star of David or something. Whoa, look at that. That's neat. You see that?
Epic.
Oh, you get...
Steer range area. In the middle of nothing. No.
Oh, that's cool. Check that out.
Ooh, scary. Ooh, you hear that sound of props hitting the top? That's not good. Oy, okay. Oh, if I could fly through this, that'd be neat. I will not. Look at this strangeness. Are those quads over there? Someone lived here? What the heck? Look at all this. Oh, jeez. That scared the shit out of me a little bit there. Wasn't expecting a human in there.
Would you be able to take a picture of us too in our phone?
Signing off from Schnupper Shalong? I don't know what the hell it is. Springs. Snapper
Snapper Springs. It's
Snapper Head?
It's Snapper Springs.
Schnapper Klong?
Oh, for crying out loud.
Schnapper Long? Schnapper Dong? I don't know. Whatever. Good night. Subscribe for more bullshit. All that good stuff. Man, that stings.
Are you bleeding?
Oh yeah, naturally.
Are you? Oh shit, you really...
That was a heavy hit. Like I said, this vlog is officially over. Is this thing on? Is it recording? Fuck me.